Hi and welcome. We have all been there. You hear a song somewhere in a store, on the radio, in a movie scene, or even in your dreams, and it just sticks with you. The melody plays on repeat in your head. Maybe you remember a few lyrics, or maybe not at all. But here's the problem, you don't know the title, you don't know the artist, and it's driving you absolutely crazy. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a song even if you don't know the title or the artist. Just a tune, a few words, or even a vague memory might be all you need. So let's get started. The easiest and fastest method is using a music recognition app. You've probably heard of Shazam. These apps are designed to identify songs that are playing around you. Just open the app, tap to listen, and let it do the magic. But did you know, but if you don't want to download a separate app, try this. Open the Google app on your phone. But before that, you can play the song first. Open it, a pop-up screen show like this. And open Google app again. And tap the microphone icon. And tap on search a song. Then play the music on pop-up window. And then Google will detect the song that is playing. And now I know the title of the songs I played earlier. The title of Mood from Leon Thomas, Stephen Christopher. And now you can listen to it in full. That's it. Now you know how to find a song that you don't know the title of. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful how-tos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.